Hey guys, welcome back to another quick phone video. In today's video, we're talking Metro by T-Mobile, and wow, they actually have a pretty good financing program. It's called Lease to Own, and like I said, I don't work for Metro by T-Mobile, but let's see how good this leasing program is. Is there any interest, or what the requirements are? So let's go ahead and check it out. It says more savings, more holidays. So pretty cool, I must say. So here's three of the main phones that they're kind of showing you off right here. Let me see if I can get this little marker thing. Yep, it'll be red, so pretty cool. Here's the three little phones that they're kind of showing you. And sorry for my little sloppy, I don't even know how to take that off. Just like that. So it's pretty cool. So sorry, just playing with this stuff right here. So whoop, boop, right there. So so pretty cool. Sorry, I just bought a new screen recorder and kind of playing with it. But it says upgrade to a phone you'll love, starting at $16 a month, guys. Wow. 16 bucks a month, that's not bad at all. So they have the Moto G Stylus 5G, looks like, the OnePlus Nord N20 5G, and the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. Me personally, I'd probably go for the A53 5G. So it says own your device after 18 months with no lease fees. Wow, and no credit score required. So wow, so it's saying they truly are prepaid still with it, because sometimes you have to go through what was it'd be some kind of leasing program. I think Boost Mobile had it, and they would charge you interest on it. But this one just says own your device after 18 months with no lease fees and no credit score required. It says for upgrade eligible customers with a 12+ month of tenure. So you must be within 1 year to qualify for this, guys. So off the bat, it looks like you will not be able to get it. You just have to be with them at least 1 year, making your on-time payments. So here we go. There's terms and conditions here and all that stuff. It says upgrade to a phone you'll love, starting at $16 a month. It says that the advertised transaction is not a credit transaction. The advertised transaction is a rental purchase agreement, rent to own. So it's kind of like, if you're going to buy a house and it's going to be rent to own or a shed or something like that. So it's pretty cool. It says consumer rental purchase agreement or a lease/lease purchase agreement, depending on your state, with SmartPay. So there it is. It is SmartPay. That's what it was. I believe SmartPay does charge. I'm not too sure with Metro, but I know with Boost they used to charge a percentage of interest. It says you will not own the merchandise until all payments are made, or you exercise your early purchase option. Purchase option not available in, and there's some places right there. Not all customers will qualify. No security deposit required. The amount of payment due at lease origination, payment, of course, a frequency, other charges, and total of the payments necessary to obtain ownership are based on lease amount. So basically, it's saying the terms and the payment amount is all determined by the purchased amount of the phone. Of course, it makes sense if you buy, the Moto G Stylus 5G versus, iPhone 14 Pro Max. Of course, 14 Pro Max is going to be a lot more of payments, and it's saying as well, you do not own the phone until you actually finish making the payments on it, or you do your early purchase option. So pretty cool. So it says final payment more in North Carolina. Whoa. Taxes and applicable fees may apply. Retail prices are subject to change. So I'm in North Carolina, so maybe that's why it costs more. I'm not too sure in other states, but it says final payment more in North Carolina. We may check past payment history, but no established FICO score or credit history is necessary. Approval is not guaranteed. The customer may end the lease and return the phone at any time. Whoa. Wireless service with carrier is additional. Whoa. So it's saying you can just give back the phone and anytime you want, and they'll just forgive whatever you owe. That's crazy. But yeah, that's not too bad. It's saying they will not check your credit score, your FICO score, but they may look at payment histories, maybe water bills, or just other smart pay options that you've had. I'm not too sure about that, but it's pretty cool if it's saying that no credit check is required. You can get something that's a pretty nice phone. That's not bad at all. So there it is, of course. Of course, you can find, here's all the payments on the phones so far, and they're not bad. They're actually set for 18 months, guys. Not bad. A little bit under 2 years, but still. It says the iPhone SE 3rd gen right there, guys. You get it for $23.89 for 18 months. Full price is $430, which is the full price. Now, like I said, it could depend on your state where you live. The price could change. The iPhone 11, still good, good phone for $27.78. Of course, I would actually pay the extra couple dollars and get the iPhone 11 or the SE, just in my personal opinion, just because of the screen size. 400, well, let's say $500, so not too bad. The iPhone 12 mini, wouldn't really consider it. Here's a 12 for $35 a month for 18 months, guys, $630. It's actually the correct prices on these, which are not bad at all. So iPhone 13, $40 a month, not bad at all. They ain't the Pro, but still really good. $730, guys, these are legit prices here. The correct ones, at least. Here's the Android ones that do qualify. The best one's going to be, of course, S21 FE for $38.89 for 18 months, or $700. Like I said, it's the correct price. Now you can see the A53 5G is $26.11 for 18 months, or $470. But if you want to cheap out a little bit for $16.11 for 18 months, it is $290. Not bad at all. Can you pay off your device early? Yes, to pay off your lease early, log into your Smart Pay account, navigate to the Make a Payment tab. You'll see a payoff lease. Wow, so pretty cool. Well, if you miss a payment, Smart Pay will work with you to make the payment. Non-payment will result in collection efforts. Ooh, they might send you to the collection agency, so just be wary about that. Says, do I make a lease payment to my Metro bill, or are they separate? They are separate, so it looks like when you're doing Metro, you will pay them your service, but then, you'll pay Smart Pay what you owe them. So pretty cool. It says, what happens if it's damaged or broken while you're still making payments? You are responsible, so you better have insurance, is basically what they're going to tell you. So not bad at all, guys. This is what do I do when you end your lease? This is after you made your 18 payments, you own the device. So not too bad at all, guys. Overall, I think this is a good thing that Metro by T-Mobile's doing. Like I said, Boost Mobile is, and this is not something new, like I said, because Boost Mobile's done this years ago. But I remember looking at that thing. Yeah, the rates were a little high. Like I said, I do live in North Carolina, and that's, in terms of conditions, it does say the final price is more in North Carolina, at least NC, So just be wary about that. But let me know in the comments below what you think. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos come your way, guys. And let me know if you like this new video editor. This one was not free, but it does seem to look a little bit better, at least in this. And I'm getting a new webcam too, guys. So let me know if you want to support the channel or donate to help with future growth of the channel. I will have some stuff in the description below. Check it out. It will help quite a bit to make the channel better and get finally more phones. This year I'm starting to, well, I will start getting new phones after I get a couple things, now that I'm redoing the studio and everything for you guys. So thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. More videos your way, guys.